Journal Record editor Ted Struley joins us to discuss other stories making news in business this week. Ted, thanks for joining us.
Glad to be here.
Ted, the workers' compensation system is coming under new scrutiny. What's going on with that?
Well, a couple of things have happened recently, Robert. One is that there's a study that shows that the law has done exactly what they proposed it would. It has lowered costs to employers. However, we know that last week even the federal government said they're not sure that it's adequately protecting employees and that they may need to provide some federal oversight. Similarly, the appellate courts have thrown out big chunks of that law for the same reason.
Meanwhile, changes to the state's pension plan are going forward. Tell us about that.
Oh, they were. This is a law that was passed in 2014 that changes the retirement system for state employees from a pension plan to a defined contribution plan. So the courts upheld that. It will only affect new employees. Existing state employees will still be under the plan they were hired under.
A new report raises some interesting issues on fracking and drought in Oklahoma.
Yeah, the report showed that there's a significant percentage of fracking that goes on in drought areas, and it also showed that two of the companies that use the most fresh water per well when they're fracking are based here in Oklahoma City. Chesapeake came in at number 1 and Devon came in at number 5 nationally.
Another claim has been filed against the estate of Aubrey McClendon. What's going on there?
It has. Chesapeake Energy indicated that they will have a claim against the estate, but the filing did not indicate how much it would be or what it was for.
The citizen Potawatomi Nation is suing the federal government. What's the issue?
Well, they are. They're suing for about $800,000 over health care they provided to tribal citizens under a contract with the federal government. The dispute isn't really over the specific health care. It's about reimbursable overhead costs and some other things of that nature. It's going to take a little while to sort it out.
What are you working on for next week?
Well, you know, OG&E is talking to ACOG about putting in electronic charging stations in public places for electric cars. We're going to write about what's happening there.
All right, Ted Struley from the Journal Record. Thanks for joining us.
My pleasure.